Harry, would you pay $150,000 a year just for fire insurance?
Oh, hell no.
I review properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it and 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute video so you can binge watch them after each other. In today's episode, we're gonna review 5721 Bonsall Drive, Malibu, 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 5,497 square foot, listed for $13,450,000, and it sits on a whopping 7 acres and more than 7 acres of land. Now, before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely for educational entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For that information, you can contact the listing agents over here. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. The third is the wow factor. In particular, the volume of this freaking room. Look at the trussed ceilings, look at the scale, look at all the windows around it. It sticks out, and it really helps the fact that there's nothing around over here and you just have natural light coming from every direction. This is the wow room. This house has a heart of a freaking elephant, okay? That's what I love about it. The second thing I love the most about this property is the detached guest house. You're like, Arvin, is that important? Yes, it is. You know why? Because the second you get rich, your annoying nephew is going to show up from New York and stay at your house for freaking 2 months. Do you want that? No, you don't. Trust me, okay? Do not get a luxury house without a guest house, because you're gonna need it. You're gonna have half of your broke ass family coming over and staying with you, and that's not what you want. At least your wife would not be happy with it. The thing that I love the most about this property is the freaking land. Look, I'm just eyeballing it. It's about 3 acres flat over here to me, but it's a freaking compound, man. Look at this private driveway. I mean, you could go for runs on this driveway. You know, it's beautiful. You got the approach. You got side yard for ages. You have to take Uber to get to the swimming pool. This is like as beautiful a house could sit on the lot. And you're in freaking Malibu. Like, who gets this much land in Malibu? It's unbelievable. This is the type of property I personally love. It's such a land freak. You know, I can't care less for views. I mean, I'll take them, don't get me wrong, but this is what I'm all about. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property.
Hang on, Armin, what does ZipSmart have to say about this property?
Harry, do you see the, Malibu prices going up?
Up and up, yep.
Forecast says it's gonna come down. You know why? Freaking days on the market is going up. It's a vacation hotspot. The shadow inventory is really high. Okay, 3 things I absolutely don't like about this property. The third thing I don't like about this property is the finishes. They're just dated. There's no sugarcoating it. They just look really old, okay? Now, it was maybe nicely done in 1982 when I was born, but it's just not up to par today, and you gotta call it out. It is what it is. The second thing I don't like about this property is that, yeah, you get all this land, great bones of the house, but 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 5,497 square foot for 13.5 almost. That's a little steep. I kind of feel like they've made a mistake. I feel like they're under-reporting here, or maybe something is not permitted. You want to check that with the city. You want to check with the owner. You want to measure that if you're serious about this property. Now, the number one thing I hate about this property is the bongxian. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. I teach you everything, not just real estate. We got vocabulary, everything going on over here. In Chinese, it means insurance. And the fire insurance for this property alone, again, don't hold me to it, I'm estimating around $120,000 to $130,000. And that's just fire insurance. And guess what? You're in a freaking valley next to a creek. You might have to get flood insurance over here. And don't forget earthquakes. We have plenty of earthquakes. We have mudslides in Malibu. In fact, Malibu is one of the most dangerous places you can live in Southern California. You got everything going on for you, right? Probably tsunami too if something happens in Hawaii or something. Now, if you want to know how much I would pay for this property, I would love to be a resource to you. Feel free to reach out here. And if you like this video, you'll probably like one of these videos over here. And don't forget to subscribe and visit zipsmart.ai and sign up now before version 3.0 comes, because you're going to be grandfathered in at a way lower prices right now. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments how much you think it's going to sell for. See you in the next one. Get out of here.